everybody, how are you? Welcome. Just having a little cuppa, and I thought I'll show you these nail art pens, which are water-based, and they've come from Aimeili. Yeah, so I'm just going to pep up my own nails with some simple nail art today, and hopefully it should be easy with these. Aimeili is a good brand if you want HEMA and TPO free as well, by the way. It's a lovely day today. We've just been out to a garden to my brother and sister's allotment and had a nice cuppa and that. And then on the way there, Phil's car went down a great big divot. Sheffield roads are absolutely shocking. And I think he's broke his strut or spring or something in the car, so he's not thrilled. So I've come out of the way. So yeah, let's just get these buffed. Lovely tea. Just a 180. We're not really ready for an infill yet, but sometimes you just get a bit fed up, don't you, what you've got. I'm not going to do an awful lot on the cuticles as well. I'm just going to take that shine off. Straighten that one up while I'm at it. There we are. Right, let's have a look. Scissors. So it's a set of 12. So you can write with it, do flowers with it, or whatever. I'll try them out. So I'll put you the link in the description that she sent me through as well. Oh, I've got some lovely bright colours. And a gold and silver. Lovely. So, shake vigorously, press the tip up and down, draw your pattern, air dry for at least 20 seconds and then gel top coat and recap that after use. Okay. So I've just got a bit from a, what's it? Back of a foil or something. Just to press it down onto. So, shall I go for purple? Let's try purple, but we'll have a yellow middle on some flowers, I think. So, in fact, let's shake a few while we're at it. And a green. Maybe a white. Pink. I love pink as well. Hopefully that's enough. So they're not shook, and these are. Okay, so try yellow middle. Just keep pressing it down. I can see it coming down. That's good. Lovely. Let's have a look then. So let's go for little tiny middles. And there. Might do this one in all spots. That's easy peasy, isn't it? Yeah. Have a bit of pink and purple. About 10 pushes and it did it. So I'll have some little let's go for a different colour as well. Let's have purple here. Yeah. We'll have flower and let's have an orange. If you're good at straight lines, you could do lines, or you can draw things and then fill it in if you're good at art. I think mine's a bit shaky today. I think that's quite pretty. I'll put a couple of green leaves on it. So one up here. I think that's enough on that one. This one I might do. Wonder if I can go around my French. Right, I need more flowers on this one and more dots on that, so I'll go for pink dots on that one. No, purple. Decisions. So, make sure it's coming yet. Trying to put the same pressure on. I wonder if I rest on something. Might do better. I like that. These will dry now. So I need more flowers on that one. So I'll do dotty flowers. again. That's it. That's it. I'm going for, where's my lid? See. A yellow flower. There. Trying to wait till that's dry before I go in the middle of that petals. So on my thumb. Let's go diagonal. I think I want one in the top corner of these spotty ones. I'm just going to turn one of these into a flower. Yeah, that'll do. And then on that one, orange. I think they're cute. Easy peasy cute. I could put little diamantes in the middle of them all if I want, but let's give them 20 seconds and then we'll top coat. So while they're drying, I'll just want to say hello and welcome and thank you so much to a new little lovely. So a new little bee we've got, and her name is Diane. Diane's got a YouTube channel. She's just put one video up so far. And I think she's going to be real natural to it, so I really hope she does more videos. So pop over and have a look, and if you like the video that she's done, subscribe and let's help her out. So we know how hard it is when you start. So that's Diane's Nail Designs, and yeah, I think it's going to be fab. So thank you so much for joining my little lovelies, my little bees, and I think we've just got time to draw another couple of shout out names today, so let's pick two at random, and today's shout out is Pink Pixie Tips, my mate Tracy, my Yorkshire mate. Yeah, I think if you're watching me you know Tracy, fabulous channel, gorgeous nails. And the other one is Shell's Nails, and they're best buddies. They are best buddies as well. Shell's lovely. Shell's Nails, her name's Michelle. Shell will do. She's happy with that. And Pink Pixie Tips Tracy. So thank you so much for being my lovelies and friends. And yeah, smashing being on here. I really would like to meet up with Shell. In fact, it'd be nice to meet you all, but I don't think that's ever going to happen. Oh, not unless I redo my passport, put it that way. So put them back in my pot. So thank you so much, Diane and Shell and Tracy. And indeed everybody that's watching. Love you to bits. So this is No Wipe HEMA free top coat, if I can get lid off. Where have I put it here? I've got my tea on me. Got my tea on my little thing. Oh, there, so all done. That's pepped them up, made them ready for the garden. So thank you so much to Aimeili for sending me these through. Thank you to everybody for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you do any nail art that you want me to have a look at or try and show on my channel, I'm quite happy for you to send me a message with it, and I'll try my best to show it for people. So yeah, thank you so much to my members and all you lovelies, and I will see you next time. Take care and look after each other. Love you loads. Bye.